Are you looking for conveyor solutions? Conveline introduces 24 DC Power Roller Conveyor, helps to save 50% power consumption compared to AC supply conveyor. Precise and swift 90-degree product transfers. Engineered for reliability and adaptability, it streamlines production processes with ease. Let me introduce our different types of conveyor rollers, each designed to enhance efficiency and functionality in various industrial applications. Let's delve into the unique features of each roller type.
Are perfect for conveying heavy loads or items that require precise movement. The sprockets engage with the conveyor chain or belt, ensuring reliable and consistent transport.
Timing belt pulley rollers. Featuring timing belts, these rollers offer precise synchronization and positioning of conveyed items. They are commonly used in applications where accurate product placement and indexing are crucial, such as in assembly lines and packaging operations. MDR 24 VDC self-driven rollers. Harnessing the power of 24 volts direct current, these rollers are self-driven and individually controlled. This enables precise speed and accumulation control, reducing energy consumption and enhancing overall system flexibility.
Visit www.convolinerollers.com for more.